Hi, in this video I will show you how to make this glass effect using Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. Okay, first let's draw a rectangle. Amazing, align it in the center. Amazing, make the corners rounded. Amazing, now make the fill white and make stroke white and 0. Okay, amazing. Now go to fill and make it 0. After that, select the rectangle, go to effect and add a bevel and emboss. Okay, adjust it as you like or copy these settings. Amazing. Now add the stroke. Make the size 2. And make gradients. Make the opacity of the gradient 0. Amazing. Okay, looks good. Amazing. Now let's add an inner glow. Adjust it as you like, or you can copy these settings. Finally, let's add a drop shadow. You can copy these settings or adjust it as you like. Amazing. Now we have this rectangle with the effects that we have applied. Now we need to make a blur, this blur, image blur. So what we need to do is create a copy of the background. We go to filter and add some Gaussian blur. Make the radius as you like, or you can copy these settings. Seems good. Now add some distort and make a zigzag. Amazing. Now make this layer on the top and make a clip-in mask. Amazing. Now for the final part, make the fill to 100. Okay, now you have applied the glass effect to this rectangle. Okay, for the final part, lock this layer of the clip-in mask so you can play with the rectangle as you like. Amazing. Now you can add the text. And here is the final results. So yes, mainly this is it. Like and follow and see you in my next videos.